What am I doing all the way outside of town? A tractor. Are you alright, buddy? See, your tire's stuck on the road. Don't worry, I'm a tow truck. I got you. Here. There we go. Now I can head back home. What's wrong? You not have a home to go back to? Well, shoot. I'll adopt you as my pet. I'll name you Terrence. I named him Terrence.
So you rescued some random tractor from the side of the road, and you made him your pet?
Yep, that's pretty much what happened.
Alright, well, I think this is a bad idea, but you just go ahead and have fun with your tractor, Mater.
Oh, shoot, thanks, buddy.
Again, I think this is a terrible idea, but I'm just going to let it slide because I have an important race to get ready for, so just have fun, I guess.
So what should we do first? Hello? Is your refrigerator running? No, I said I said, is your refrigerator There's some bad reception. You try it. Oh boy. Aw, Terrence, you're the best. I ain't never had a friend like you. Never ever.
Can you not believe it, Guido? We have been given the Pit Crew of the Month award! Oh, what an honor! Haha! Hello, Tractor? Are you lost? Oh, no, stay away from the award! Stay away from the reward! No, what are you doing? No, no! Stop! Stop! Why? Why?
Terrence! Oh, there you are, Terrence. Come on, we gotta wish Lightning good luck before he leaves for his race.
Mater, is this your tractor?
Why, yes. Yes, he is.
Well, make sure to keep him away from us and our establishment. The tires! Guido, we must check on the tires!
Boy, I wonder what you did to them. Come on, let's go. Oh, hey, Mac.
Oh, hi, Meter. What are you up to?
Yeah, not much.
Who's your little friend?
Oh, this is Terrence. He's a tractor.
What's he doing?
I'm not sure. Terrence, what are you up to?
You probably don't want to mess with that. It keeps the trailer from running off on its own. Oh, no. Oh, no, the trailer!
Yeah, I'll reimburse you on that, bud.
Alright, Mac, are you ready to go to this race? I don't want to be late, and why is the trailer crashed into a wall?
Lightning, I can explain.
It was the tractor.
Mater, what did I tell you about having Terrence around?
Well, Terrence is just a tractor. He didn't know what he was doing.
Mater, this race is really important to me. How am I supposed to get there now?
You can just drive yourself.
Mater, I'm a race car. Why would I drive myself when I have the trailer? The trailer which is now crashed into a wall.
Well, it's not really a wall. It's more like a strange pile of wooden planks.
Mater, that doesn't matter. I told you that getting this tractor was a bad idea, and now look what's happened. I'm gonna miss this big race because of you.
Wait, Lightning.
He's right, you know. This race was really important to him. Who knows how we're gonna get there now?
Dadgum. I don't know what I'm gonna do now, Terrence. I mean, this race was really important to Lightning. and I probably just fumbled his opportunity of going to it. What to do?
Hey, I'm not sure if this is a bad time, but Mater, we have to talk.
About what?
Well, I'm afraid that I've received some complaints about that there tractor.
About Terrence?
Yeah, looks like he's been doing some bad things around here.
Wait, did Lightning complain to you?
No, it was Luigi.
Oh.
Mater, I'm so sorry, but you're gonna have to get rid of that tractor as your pet.
What? Not Terrence?
I'm sorry, Mater. It's what has to be done.
Well, it looks like this is goodbye, Terrence. I'll never forget you. I love you, Terrence.
Oh, Terrence. I miss you, buddy. Terrence, why? Not Terrence.
Maybe I messed up. Hey, Mater? I've got something for you.
What is it?
Terrence! That's right, Mater. I thought about it, and it's only one race that I missed. I go to countless others anyways. So, you deserve to have Terrence as your pet.
But what about Sheriff?
Well, I spoke to him. I think Luigi's gonna be okay.
Thank you, buddy. You hear that, Terrence? We're gonna go on countless adventures together.
It's good to see you happy, Mater.
Whoa!